to the lower back.
No, it's fine.
It's fine? Yeah. Come back for the other side. You know your pathways. You cannot dilute that pathways. So you have to take care of the sutras and the process of sequencing the class. And you can do a forward fold. Yeah. I'm not giving whole weight. 2, 3, 4. I'm just giving the support but not giving complete weight. You should always use the cotton mat for your student. Come back for the other side. 1. Yes. So this has to be the square. From here, ma'am, wear this belt to your armpit. Put in your leg and lie down in Viparit Karani by raising the leg. Yes. You want the belt to be slightly tight or it's fine, or the belt has to come to the lower back.
No, it's fine.
It's fine? Yeah, eyes closed. So from gentle movement to standing asanas, Surya Namaskar, increasing the pace, doing the standing asanas with the chair, and after that coming to the sitting asanas and applying the science and techniques of sitting twist, using the belt. This is all, this shows that how much you know about your body, and internalization of the mind. That's your pratyahara practice. So we need to apply all the limbs of Ashtanga Yoga during the practice of asana. Once you understand all the limbs during the practice of asana, it's easier to feel it even though when you are not moving. Taking both legs to the right side. Belt is to do the boundary. Draw the boundary where my leg has to be there, how much my body has to move. So it will give you a counter energy. Slowly coming back to the center. Do a forward fold, ma'am. Get your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, head up, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is what we want, balance. We are looking for balance. And I don't mean balance at the gross body. I'm talking about the balance at your astral body, at your mental body. So during teaching, therapy student also taking care of health, knowing this history of the student is important. Even though you are new to the class, know the history of the student and know the choice and interests of the student. Because if the student is motivated with the interest, it's easier for teacher to move on. Third, you know your pathways. You cannot dilute that pathways. So you have to take care of the sutras and the process of sequencing the class. Ending the class should be always relaxed. Coming to the center, and we are done now. We will release the leg for Shavasana. Yeah. Release your both the legs. Lying down on the floor, relaxed completely. Gross body awareness is easier to feel and experience. So when we are giving Shavasana initially, the students feel it's just a lying down position, but it is not. It is about activating the moon side of the body, and during Shavasana we need to completely surrender to the floor. Surrender the body to the floor. Surrender whole body to the floor. Feel all the touch points between the body and the mat. Awareness of the back body. Both heels, ankles, calf muscles, back of the knees, back of your thighs, both buttocks, lower back, middle back, upper back, both the shoulders, right arm, left arm, back of the neck, back of the head. Entire back body in one go. Awareness of the whole body. Awareness of the whole body. Awareness of the whole body. Shifting your awareness from the back body to the front body. Top of the head. Frontal head. Forehead. Eyebrows. Center between eyebrows. The two eyes. Below the eyes. The cheeks. Nose. Mouth. Neck. Chest. Stomach. Navel. Lower abdomen. Both thigh joints. Upper thighs. Knees. Shin bone. Ankle and feet together. Whole frontal body in one go. Awareness of the frontal body. Lateral body. Back body and complete body. Awareness to your breath. Every inhalation, the stomach is moving up. Every exhalation, the stomach is moving down. Inhale 1. Exhale 1. Inhale 2. Exhale 2. Inhale 3. Exhale 3. Inhale 4. Exhale 4. Inhale 5 and hold. Expand the stomach. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. Relaxed the stomach. This is a short, quick Shavasana, and the body will feel relaxed completely. This is very important part of the class, especially for therapy student. Yes, without opening your eyes, gently move your toes, fingers, turn to the right side, sit upright. We'll do the healing chanting. We'll chant Om, breathing in. Slowly rub your palms. Palms on your eyes. Look to your palms. Namaste, namaste ma'am, thank you.